going to do another today's number. Mathematicians, today's number is 3/4. Here's the rules. You need to create expressions that equal 3/4. Try to think of at least 5. You can use addition or subtraction. You cannot use a denominator more than once. You cannot use fractions equivalent to 1. Go ahead and pause the video and write down your expressions. All right, hopefully you paused the video and you have thought through some of your equations. I could say that 1/4 plus 2/4 equals 3/4, which is really true. And if you wrote that down, thank you for thinking about those numerators and how they would work. However, we're not supposed to use the denominator more than once. So if I wanted to change one of these, I notice that 2/4 is the same amount or equivalent to 1/2. So I'm going to take this 2/4 out so I don't break my second rule, and I am going to write 1/2. 1/4 plus 1/2, or 2/4, equals 3/4. Another one that you might have written down was 3/4 minus 2/8 plus 3/12, which equals 3/4. If I think about what this would equal, 2/4 is the same amount as 1/4. So if I think of order of operations from left to right, addition and subtraction are the same thing. So it doesn't matter which one comes first as long as I do it from left to right. So 3/4 minus 1/4, or 2/8, would be 2/4. But then I come over here and I'm going to add 3/12, which is also equivalent to 1/4. So 2/4 plus 1/4 does indeed equal 3/4. I hope you found a way to make a lot of different equations. Remember that when you're doing this activity, think about how do you know that this equals 3/4, and how did you decide which fractions to use? Today we focused a lot on thinking about equivalencies. For example, we thought about how 2/4 is the same amount as 1/2, so we could use the fraction 1/2 instead of 2/4. Thank you for your hard work.